All right, so the idea now is to follow the truck dude again. What's happening here? There's a guy there. So I'm not sure what he is doing, but whatever it is, I think he needs to move. All right. I think it's the farmer guy who is not sure what he's doing, but whatever it is, it's kind of annoying. Huh. All right, so what's the plan here? So now I have to wait. But you know, we can wait. I was hoping that we can maybe start. Right now we've been changing some a mechanical part inside that wood chipping machine that makes it so the size of the wood chips are a bit smaller than we have two different sizes, and for the heating facility that I travel to a lot, then I need like a small size. Right, so he's leaving because I need to be able to turn around, and to do that I need to give myself some more space. All right, and I'll just do this then. Hopefully this is gonna work. I think it's gonna work. It's not gonna work perfectly, but we can do this as well. All right, and then we do this. Just reverse at 90 degrees compared to our truck. Just push this trailer backwards like this. So now the trailer is above. Let's see, you can turn off this. So the way I do it on these kind of places, I'm not sure if you can see it, but the trailer in the truck is like this. It's over 90 degrees, and that gives me a lot more space to maneuver, and then I can go forward again, hopefully. Looks like it. Oh, it's a lot of trees and stuff out there. I don't think I'm gonna hit any of those. And yeah, so we're gonna drive just I don't know, maybe 3 kilometers, maybe 4, something like that, up to a farm where we're gonna start loading up the wood chips for today. So, and we're planning on trying to make 3 trips from this area. One to the southern heating facility, and 2 are going to the northern heating facility. There we go. Lockers, yeah, lockers on, good. And I haven't been to that farm before, but when we were going up here this morning, he showed me where the farm was, so I have a very good idea of how to get there, like how it looks inside that area. It was a bit narrow, but I think it's fine. And if you can go in there with that machine that has the same width as I have, it's obviously a lot shorter, but I'm very confident that we can go in there. it's oh, look at that, if you can see it. Very windy today. Like a lot. I think it's about 17. The wind is moving about 17 meters a second. I think it was. I saw on my phone. I hope I'm gonna stand towards the wind, so the wind goes towards me. Because if not, I'm gonna fill, like between the truck and the container, it's gonna be full of wood chips. And that's less than optimal, I would say. Because you do get like a lot of cleaning to do afterwards, because you're gonna fill the engine and the gearbox will have a lot of wood chips on it. And okay, so here we have actually a truck. Same type of truck as I have. That's cool. Oh, that's a Volvo. So yeah, here he is. Nice. And again, you guys most likely don't see it as well as I do, but we are going to that farm. You maybe see him over there. To that farm, and the farmer man is following. I'm not sure why he do that, but well, sometimes they do. So let's see how to do this. Okay. A lot of room there, so that's nice. Don't hit that corner of that roof. So that's something I have to think about. Am I good? Looks good. Yeah. So that's something you have to think a lot about, maneuvering through these yards, because it's so easy to hit stuff like that. Hello cows. A lot of cows here as well. Because they do not always think about these things, because they're just driving their tractors that are low, and I'm 4.2 meters high. And a lot of the time they don't think of it. And we hit stuff if we don't pay attention to that. Because they just say, yeah, it's a good place, it's a lot of space maneuvering around. And when we get there, many times I'm telling them that, you know, we're too tall to drive in here. Oh, I didn't think of that. Happens a lot. Okay, so I need to reverse down there, so I'll be doing... he's gonna stand there looking cool. I'm gonna do this. And go out on these rocks. And then, some reason or another, these guys who live here are kind of rushing it a bit, feels like. Maybe they're out of time or something. Seems like it's very important for them to watch us work or something. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's... And also, by the way, these guys are not the people who are paying us for doing this, because all this goes through a huge company. So the farmers, they don't pay us for this. It is a large forest, kind of a company who deals with forest stuff, a very large one, who are the people who are paying for these services. So the farmers themselves, they get paid from that company again, I think, something like that. I don't pay too much attention to that, because it doesn't involve us that much. So he's okay. So I'm just gonna go back here. Hope the farmer dude is not behind me. Can't see him, but most of the time it's fine. Okay, I can see him, he's over there, it's fine. Alright, so here we are, and we are good to go. Just gonna load up the trailer first, and then we are disconnecting this and reversing again with only the truck. And when we're done, we're leaving to the southern heating facility. So yeah, talk to you guys soon. Okay, so we are done at this project. We have loaded the last load of the day. This is going up north to the storage facility, storage area. I've just done one trip earlier to the southern heating plant, and now we're just going up and to the storage place. And hopefully we don't take with us that corner of that building. I don't think we're going to do that though. Let's see, try not to go too far out on the grass, it's fine. So hopefully this is going to be the last thing today. I haven't heard about anything else that we need to do. Let's see, that car is behind me. There it is. I'm just gonna go. I know there's a truck there, but I don't want to stop in the road with a loaded truck. And yeah. So it's Friday. And I hope that this is the last thing today. Then we can well, it's going to take me a couple of hours to drive back up to the to our yard where we store these wood chips. And now it's 12:30 and very soon. So it's going to be like a working day anyways. I started at 6 o'clock this morning. So it's fine, I think. Not sure if you can hear the sound of the wood chips on the roof of the truck, because of the wind, strong winds today. When he was loading, the wind came beneath the wood chips that are flying through the air when he is filling the container, and my roof was filled up with tiny pieces of wood chips. So I did climb up there and remove a lot of it, but it's still like in the front of the truck. There's still some. It was hard to get, so I couldn't get it all off. But I do think that before we reach the main road, the 4-lane high-speed roads, most of it is gonna come off. So I'm quite certain that it's fine. And also, let's say something fall off, it's very light, so it won't damage anything. And if it was too much, I would figure something else, because I don't drive on the roads with something I think can harm cars or other people's stuff, or other people in general. Let's see. Hello, Mr. Volvo. Thank you for doing a big turn. Thank you very much. And also, I found out my share is squeaking a lot, so I need to find out where that is and get some WD-40 and do something about it, because it's starting to get it's not directly annoying. It's more like it's so easy to do something with it, so it stops. So why not just do something with it? When all you need is a small drop of oil and everything is gone, then the sound is gone. Not sure if you can hear it though. Anyways, I'm just gonna drive down to the main road, time-lapse it, and talk to you next time. Have a superb day, and yeah, see ya.